Once your nose buds fit correctly and are powered on, place them comfortably in your nostrils. Relax. Gently breathe in and out through your nose. Keep your mouth closed while engaging your diaphragm. It may be helpful to place a hand on your stomach to ensure your diaphragm is engaged. You'll hear the nose buds hum as you breathe in and out. Deep, vigorous breathing is not needed to activate nose buds. We recommend using nose buds for 2 10-minute sessions or 1 20-minute session per day. However, nose buds are safe to use for as often and as long as feels right for you. You can engage in other light activities while wearing nose buds, or you can take the time to reset and focus on your breathing. Users typically feel improvement straight away. However, sustained symptom relief will typically begin to develop after regular use of nose buds.